Did you know that your sneeze is faster than a speeding car? That's right. A sneeze can shoot out your nose at the shocking 100 miles per hour. That's almost as fast as high-speed train. But it gets even crazier. Every time you sneeze, you realize up to 40,000 tiny droplets into the air traveling at an incredible 200 feet per second. That's like mini hurricane blasting out of your face. Imagine all those tiny particles spreading around. No one wonder people panic when they hear a sneeze in public. And sneezing is one of the body's most powerful reflexes designed to clear out irritants, but it can also turn you into an unintentional germ launching rocket.